this one is just loading. But so feed again is going to be cutting. Trim is going to be facing. To change your micron setting, you rotate this. And then to change your feed, you rotate this. To switch back and forth between cutting and facing, you just press it. Okay? To move your arm, you're going to hold this bottom big one down forwards or backwards, depending on which direction you're trying to go. This will move the whole faceplate component, well, the whole component down here. And then this will move your faceplate, okay? This is going to do your angle adjustments. And then right here, we have 3 different sets of blocks, okay? So this is how we're gonna cut. And then let's say I needed to stop cutting for whatever reason. This is an emergency stop, okay? And do you see how on the screen now it says stop? And look, the second lock is in place. All I need to do is, and that's the 3rd lock, okay? So if you're trying to unlock it now, you go 1, 2, 3, cut. But if I do that, then look, I still can't cut because there are 3 checkpoints you have to get through, okay? It is kind of cool. I like this one a lot.
Very safe.
It is very safety oriented. This one is also out of commission. They don't make it anymore. These are both the same brand, but they have both been bought out. I can't remember by which brand. But that's why you need
Yamaha?
this one. It was being used on the one that I showed you the assignment for. But with facing, you don't have to just do this. You have multiple options with facing. With facing, you can hold down this button, and it will also face. So do you hear it clicking? So it will actually take much thicker sections off there, so you can always keep it at 4, so then you never get confused. So again, to do it, you can't start like this. You can't start running first. You gotta press down and then run. And do you hear how you don't, do you notice how you don't hear that same sound? Click, 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 click. Okay? Another thing too is this microtome, the wheel won't go like this because the handle is pushed in. So you have to pull it out and then go. Okay? So when you lock it, you're gonna do the same exact thing, okay? Okay. Now let's get to this one. And this one is the last one that's like a little bit weird. Okay? So with this one is also an automated one. Okay?
I've seen this one a lot, yes. Actually.
We were talking about.
Yes, this one is the most common one you're gonna see, okay? So this one is also, like I said, automated, and it has like a little screen. So again, trim versus sectioning, that will tell you if you're facing or cutting. You can adjust the speed of the foot pedal like this. To adjust your microns, it's the plus and minus symbol. Okay, so this is facing, this is cutting, okay? This cut mode, you don't need to worry about it unless you do the foot pedal. But you move your arm, but you can go a little bit at a time. Press, 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 press. Or you can, and do you see how now it's just moving like at like a smooth like pace and everything versus, okay. And that's it. Oh, and then the lock is like this little knob like this. Instead of it being below, your lock is like this. Okay? And then another thing, you can actually lock it like this too. Okay? And then this is how you would unlock this entire component. And that's it. That's all the microtones. They're super simple, super easy to use. They're just frustrating because it's going to be new for you guys. And that's completely a normal feeling, okay?
All right. Why is that one called Katie Heron?